Evaluating factorial. In this problem, we have 8 factorial, and the first step we're going to do is we're going to understand what factorial means. And it is the product of all the numbers from 1 to n consecutively. So that being said, so 1 to n is going to be 8, and we multiply the numbers from 1 through 8 consecutively. So 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8. And that is the factorial. Now, this can also be done in reverse as well too. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then final step here is to evaluate. So that will get us 40,320. And this completes our problem.